If you're looking for a quick and easy way to include visual pricing breakdowns in your proposals, this video will give you exactly what you need to do it efficiently and professionally. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through the process so you can create proposals that stand out and make it crystal clear to your clients how their money will be spent. A visual pricing breakdown isn't just about looking good, it's about being transparent and organized, making it easier for your clients to see the value you're offering. The first step is selecting the right tool. While there are many software options available, we've tested the most popular ones and will show you a tool that allows you to add these breakdowns quickly and effectively. And for you, viewers of this channel, there's an exclusive free trial available in the description below, so you can follow along with this tutorial. Once you've chosen your software, the next step is to clearly define the different sections of your pricing. You should break down each component of your service or product, whether it's a base price, additional features, or optional add-ons, into its own line or section. This will make it easier for your client to see exactly what they're paying for. Next, you'll want to ensure your pricing breakdown is visually appealing. Use graphs or tables, as these formats make it easier to digest the information. This is where visual clarity matters the most. Color-coded charts or pie graphs are great for breaking down the pricing into digestible pieces. A simple bar chart or a pie chart can do wonders for giving your client a visual representation of how their budget is allocated. Our software has templates specifically designed for this purpose, which will make creating these visuals a breeze. Another key point is to be mindful of the format. Keep it clean and organized. Avoid clutter. Too much information in one space will make your proposal feel overwhelming, which is the last thing you want. A neat, well-structured proposal shows professionalism, so focus on making the pricing breakdown the focal point without overcrowding the page with unnecessary text or details. After the breakdown, be sure to add a brief explanation or legend if the client needs more context about the visual data. A quick sentence or two can provide clarity and reassurance without detracting from the visual appeal. You want to help them understand the value, not just show them numbers. Now, once you finalize the pricing breakdown, make sure your proposal as a whole reflects consistency. The visual pricing breakdown should seamlessly integrate with the rest of your proposal, whether it's in a PDF or an online document. Ensure the fonts, colors, and styles match your brand for a unified and professional look. And before we wrap up, here's a key takeaway. The visual pricing breakdown you include in your proposals should not only be clear, but also reinforce the value you're offering. Keep it simple, professional, and easy to understand. To quickly recap, choose the right tool, break down the pricing into clear sections, use visuals like graphs and tables to make the breakdown easy to digest, and ensure consistency in the overall design of your proposal. Remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our software in the description below to follow along and create professional, visually engaging pricing breakdowns for your proposals. Thanks for watching.